let's unbox my Coach Denim 2026 bag. Stay tuned. Hello, my name is Andrea. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm showing my face. It's been a while. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and let me welcome you to the Babe Cave today. Yes. I already had told you that I ordered one piece. I restrained my purchases this year, plus I didn't see a whole lot that I liked, or that I needed, I should say. And I already tried a lot of the denim last year, so I just wanted one piece and I wanted a different color. And it's not the blue denim. So without further ado, let's open this box. As I'm opening this, someone in my comments of last video had a very good point about this drop. She said, I think that the bags are smaller and more geared toward teenage and college age years. So they are not advertising necessarily for the older generation, which I think she might be right about that. Like I said, there was really just one bag on here that I really wanted. All right. You're going to be able to tell what it is, I think. Yeah, it is. And I bet some of you probably guessed last time. And I think some of you also bought this bag because it was sold out. I got another Laurel because I know I really like this silhouette. I know that I have the blue one, which I'll pop up here. Now I have the blue denim with the gold hardware and the black denim with the silver hardware. Awesome. Yes. No cherries. They didn't add any kind of fun little cherry detail, but I believe this is the same material. It says, if I can read it. The shell of this Coach piece contains cotton sourced from farms that use regenerative agricultural practices. Crafted to last in our signature jacquard, it captures our love for reimagining house codes in thoughtful new ways. What could be more iconic than that? Okay. So yes, I am going to move into my black Laurel, regular size Laurel. They didn't come up with the larger one, which I didn't want anyway. I was disappointed about the Rowan, but this one is pretty. No feet on the bottom, just like the other one. No back pocket. Let's unwrap this. Just like the other Laurel, it has the shoulder strap. Here's their pretty silver hardware. I also don't have that many silver hardware, and I of course didn't have any black denim, so I needed a black denim, and this was the perfect one. And here is the adjustable crossbody strap or shoulder strap. You can use either. Detachable is amazing. And like I said on my last video, no cherries, but here's the hang tag. Do you like that they picked the hang tag in a different than black? Do you like the hang tag? I don't know. Let me know what you think. I do like this silver hardware. It's very shiny. And I zipped up stuffing. Gosh, stuffed to the gill. Oh, still unpacking. For sure not a return. That's no doubt. Alright, here's the interior, black with the patch right there, the same color as the hang tag. Do you think that the hang tag should have been black? I wonder. I was also thinking I could make this even better. Okay, what if I added my silver chain to the Laurel? What do you guys think? And look, you can still see the Coach little emblem. So yeah, this is a chain I got off Amazon. I'll link it down below if it's still there. It's heavy. It's very heavy. Warning. But oh my gosh. What do you guys think of that? I am loving the silver hardware. I also have my cute little balloon dog. Here's with the little cute pink pop of color. Very cute. And I also have another strap that I could use, and it has gunmetal hardware. Let me show you what it looks like with this strap. You like this strap? And look at the chain. Beautiful. And there's the charm. I really like the Laurel. Who else likes the regular size Laurel as much as I do? I love the versatility of it. I can switch chains, charms. I have crossbody. I can use a guitar strap. I mean, it's a very functional everyday bag, and I really like this black. So pretty. What do you guys think of my new bag? Are you surprised? Probably not. It's beautiful. And I have options how to carry it. And also, it did come with the extra little loop there for your extra strap. And it comes with 7 adjustments. 7 adjustments. It's a great denim bag. Love it, love it, love it. What do you like? Do you like the chain? Do you like the guitar strap or the shoulder strap and no chain? Again, the chain adds weight. There was a lot of smaller bags, and the only other one that I was kind of also liking as well is that Bridget flap shoulder bag. I like that one as well. I mean, I haven't seen it in person, but it looked pretty cute and it looked like a good size. So that was like the only one that maybe came close to this, but I wanted black denim. I had no black denim, so I am happy with my purchase. It will be staying with me, and it's my Valentine's gift from my hubs. And I could put, you know, another like little heart keychain if I wanted to put a pink. I love pink and black together. This hot pink and black, that's my favorite combo. So the only thing missing is feet. Really, it doesn't matter. I carried my blue denim with the shoulder strap anyway. They could have added something, you know, like they did with the cherries. That would have been nice, but they could have done silver cherries with black cherries. They could have done that. Coach, why didn't you do that? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my unboxing of my black denim Laurel. And like I said, it's sold out. I ordered it the morning of the drop date at like 7:30 and was able to buy, and by the afternoon they were gone. And you always got to check back on if they restock it, but I am super happy with this black denim. I really, really am glad. I'm going to move right into that bag, and I'll do a what is inside my Laurel denim shoulder bag next video, most likely. And let me show you what I just thrifted for sale. I hit the gold mine of the thrift store on Saturday. And I hadn't bought anything thrift-wise, and we hadn't been to a thrift store in probably a few months because I had enough inventory, but now I was like getting low. And I found the beautiful Gina satchel in black Florentine leather with no corner wear, nothing. It's beautiful. It has the 24 karat plated hardware. It has the strap that goes with it. It's a shoulder strap. Feet on the bottom. I cleaned and conditioned this bag. Isn't this pretty? Someone donated this. But yeah, it's beautiful. I literally am surprised there isn't any wear. Even the inside is clean. So if you're interested, my links are down below of my Poshmark and Mercari listings. And if you want it off those sites, email me, and that's down below in the description box. So yes, the Dooney & Bourke Gina Satchel in black Florentine. And then I almost missed this one until I moved back. It was on the lower shelf. And it is called the Zip Pod Dooney & Bourke black pebbled leather with the brown Sierra trim. Feet on the bottom. This is such a cute bag. And it has the top handle where it's easy to grab it out of your car if it's in the passenger seat. I love that about this bag. Has really nice adjustable backpack straps. And it adjusts pretty far. And it's a double zipper, but beautiful condition. Literally no wear. I wonder if they got it for Christmas and never wore it, so they donated it. It's beautiful. And here's the back. I wanted to show you like the cool striations of this pebbled leather. It was kind of neat. It looks like it got scratched or something, but that's just the leather. I don't know. I think it's cool. So again, this is the Dooney & Bourke Zip Pod backpack in pebbled black leather and the brown trim. Something that I wanted to tell you about which one of these do you think they priced higher? They priced the Zip Pod backpack higher than the Florentine leather Dooney & Bourke. So this one cost me more than a Florentine leather. They probably don't know that this one is actually worth more than this one. So that was pretty funny. I had to share that story. Pretty, right? So those are my two that are now listed on my closets, my Mercari and Poshmark closet. And I usually don't get black bags, but those I could not leave there. They were too nice. And yeah, I figured if I have Dooney lovers out there, you may want those. So if you're ever looking, look at my closet. I add stuff all the time to it because I just don't need so much things or accessories, or I added wallets. I mean, I just had too much. Yeah, I know I added a black denim bag, but I didn't have any black denim. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and hit that hype button down in the comments down below. There's a hype button now. It pushes my video out to other people to watch. And subscribe if you like unboxings, which are not that many. I hadn't bought a bag for like 6 or 7 months until this drop. And then I fell off the wagon. But I'm back on the Band Island because I'm only buying for resale. And maybe my birthday will be my next bag, but who knows? That's in May, so we'll see. But I'm on Band Island. But always check my Poshmark and Mercari if you're looking for a bag or accessories. And I do have my Louis Vuitton Neverfull on Poshmark. So if you ever wanted an authentic Louis Vuitton Neverfull, I have it listed for sale. I also have the 6-key ring holder for sale as well in monogram. So check that out. And until next video, I will talk to y'all soon. Bye.